right, so to get started with the uke, if I want to click on music tools here, maybe I want it to show me how to play a chord. So I can go to the chord library, and it's going to show you the different chords here, but you notice it's not lighting up on the ukulele. That's because you have to sync it up, and so you're just going to put your batteries in and then turn on the power. And then you'll need to select Bluetooth on your main menu. So here I can click on my Bluetooth and it'll say tap on the ukulele to connect. So once I did that, you see how now the dots aren't flashing anymore, they're set. So then I can go back to my music library, click on the chords, and here it's already showing me that's how you play a C chord. You just hold down that one button. If I want to see an F chord, click on F and it shows me the fingering. So you can just go through the chords one at a time using your chord library, or if you want to do it with a song, you can come back to your main menu, press on the game and course, and you go through here, and these are just video tutorials. So actually I'm going to come out of here and go to my song library. Here it has popular songs. So if I want to play I'm Yours by Jason Mraz, I can click on there. It's going to download some information to your phone. And then once it's complete, you can do the chords here, and it will just show you the chords.
String 4.
It's going to tune it first. So it's telling me to pick string 4, so here I go. And as I play that,
In tune, pick string 3.
so it will go through all 4 of your strings, and it'll do that every time because different songs have different tunings. And so if it's already in tune, you can go through that really quickly just by playing your notes. So it showed me what to play. And you could see as I played there that it was lighting up my fingers. So if I'm not following along there, I can just watch how the fingers light up and play along there. It also shows the chords. It has an arrow going up or an arrow going down on the chords, so you know how to strum. And that feels really unnatural to me right now. So I'm going to have to practice that and get the strums the same direction as theirs does instead of just playing what feels natural. But it gives me a score, and then I can continue or try again. I'm going to continue. But here I'm going to go to chords, and it just shows.
Pick string
Okay,
4.
so we'll tune really quickly. See? So then it shows the chords, and you play them to be familiar, and then it does it without the notation, so you can practice it. And so now I'm ready to play the game. The other cool thing is you can click on notation, and it's going to show you the actual music here, and you can practice reading music by looking at that and seeing how it is. So for the C chord there, I can see that it's a C, and I play it 4 times, and then G 4 times. The cool thing about this is I can now press play on the notation and follow along with the music. So you can play right along with the music. It shows you the notation. And so you're learning how to read music while you're playing the ukulele, while you're going through popular music. So it's a fun way to learn how to play popular music without having to hire a teacher, because it's all provided right here on your phone. Now, in addition to just going through the different songs and things like that, when you purchase the ukulele, it will come with a little card that has a redemption code, and you scratch it off and you click on the profile, and it will ask for the redemption code. Once you do that, you can come here and click on Games and Course, and you see how it has these 2 courses that are unlocked. I couldn't go through any of those until I put in the redemption code. But then when I click on these courses, it will give me video tutorials. You basically get a free teacher because it comes with the courses, and so you get these video lessons that give you a background on the ukulele as an instrument, some theory, how to hold it, how to get set up, and so it has all the basics all the way through. There's several different modules within the course, and so if you're thinking about learning the ukulele, whether you're a child or a grown adult, these courses work for everyone. And so it's cool because you have the support with the video, but then as you're learning, it lights up on the ukulele so you can double check, and it's teaching you notation. You're getting the whole package. Plus it's a cute ukulele, so that's a bonus too.